Google has released a set of new tools and updates for its latest artificial intelligence applications. And believe me when I tell you that from this moment on, if you work, study, or use AI in your day-to-day life and you're not using these new features, you're literally wasting your valuable time.
You can't have missed it. There's this huge creative revolution happening all around us right now, and it's completely changing how we make, well, everything.
And do you want to know the best part? Google has made sure that all these features are free and unlimited. So stay with me, because in today's video, I'm going to give you a complete guide so you can learn how to use all these new features in just a few minutes. So that, like I told you before, you don't waste your valuable time. And as a gift at the end of the video, I'll show you how to get some free PDFs with the best AIs and secrets that we don't show on our YouTube channel. Okay, let's start with the video. I want to make sure you don't miss anything. So in the Discord server that I'm leaving in the description, in the YouTube Sources channel, I'm going to leave all the direct links to the tools we'll see today and the prompts we're going to use to get 100% out of each one of them. So you only have to watch this video and copy and paste the prompts. The first tool is Gemini Deep Research. And this is what turns your Google account into a real AI assistant for work and study, not just a chat box. Open Gemini, go to Tools, and switch to Deep Research. Here you can choose exactly where it should look: the web, your Drive, your Docs, even Gmail and Chat if you connect them. Instead of asking something generic like how to use AI at work, ask it to create a detailed plan based on your reality. Tell it to analyze your existing documents, notes, and emails, and to design a step-by-step plan to, for example, automate the most boring part of your job, or to learn the AI skills that would actually make you more valuable in your company. Gemini will propose a research plan, run it in the background, and, a little later, you'll get a full report with sections, comparisons, and concrete actions, built from your own information, plus the best sources it finds online. Now that we have real research, we're going to turn that into something you can actually consume and share. NotebookLM with video overviews, powered by Nano Banana. Take the key documents or the report Deep Research created, send them to NotebookLM, and add them as sources in a new notebook. Once they're loaded, use the video overview feature. With one request, you can ask NotebookLM to generate a short explainer video that breaks down your topic into clear chapters. What the problem is, what AI tools you should use, and what your first steps should be. Under the hood, NotebookLM uses Nano Banana, Google's image and illustration model, to create diagrams, icons, and scenes that match your content in different styles.
All right, team, let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about something I think you're all going to be pretty excited about. It's our new 30-day plan to use AI to get back our most valuable resource, and that's our time. I mean, does this quote hit home for anybody else?
That means your 20-page PDF about, for example, AI policies, marketing analytics, or exam notes stops being a wall of text and becomes a 2-minute visual overview you can watch, share with your team, or replay while you study. From here, we're going to build proper presentations, not slide decks that look like they were made in a rush. Go back to Gemini and create a custom gem dedicated to presentations. In the instructions, tell it that its job is to design clear, visual presentations about AI topics that follow your brand or your personal style. Then upload a couple of references, maybe a PDF with your brand colors, a slide template you like, or screenshots of a deck that feels on brand for you. Now, when you open that gem and ask for a presentation about something like how our company could use AI to save time in customer support, it will not only structure the content for you, it will try to respect that style. Similar colors, similar tone, similar layout logic. When you're happy with the structure, export the deck to Google Slides in one click and fine-tune only the details that really need your touch. Next, we're going to use NotebookLM again, but this time as your personal AI academy. Open a fresh notebook, and instead of feeding it your internal docs, ask Gemini first to find a set of high-quality sources on a topic you want to master. Maybe practical generative AI for teachers, AI workflows for designers, or how to use AI to study faster. Copy the list of links Gemini gives you and paste them into NotebookLM as website sources. It will read everything for you and centralize it in one place. From there, you can ask it to build a structured learning path, lessons, examples, and exercises. And if you don't feel like reading, you can trigger another video overview, again with Nano Banana generating the visuals automatically, so you get a quick video summary of that entire mini course made from sources you actually chose.
You can't have missed it. There's this huge creative revolution happening all around us right now, and it's completely changing how we make, well, everything, composition to work with. The more detail you feed it, the closer you get to what's in your head.
Once the ideas are clear, it's time to create visuals for your projects, products, or portfolio, not just random characters. For that, we're going to use Google AI Studio with Nano Banana. Open AI Studio, go to Chat with Models, and select the image model. Before you write anything, set the aspect ratio you really need. Horizontal if you're designing a YouTube thumbnail, vertical for a reel or TikTok, or square if it's for a catalog or a website. Then upload a real image from your work. It could be a photo of a physical product you sell, a screenshot of your app, or even a slide from a presentation. In the prompt, ask it to create new versions of that image that keep the product but change the setting, the lighting, or the mood in a way that fits your goal. Maybe something more premium for a landing page, or more colorful and bold for social media. Nano Banana will respect the original subject and give you a set of clean, detailed variations ready to test. If you want to explore many ideas at once, switch to Flow. Create a new project, choose image generation with Google's models, set it to create several images per request, and pick the orientation you need. Now, instead of imagining one banner, describe the campaign, who the product is for, what emotion you want, where the image will appear. Flow will generate multiple compositions in a few seconds, different angles, backgrounds, and framing around the same message. You can keep the ones that work, discard the rest, and iterate again. It's a fast way to brainstorm visuals for ads, course covers, YouTube thumbnails, or internal presentations without burning hours in a design tool. And when you really need a lot of inspiration for a project, use an image board tool that supports these models as a visual lab. To access it, you need a VPN. I'll leave the one I use in the description of this video. Start with a general idea, like study desk setups for an AI productivity course, or clean hero images for a SaaS landing page. The board fills with ideas, and then you can select 2 or 3 images you like and ask the AI to merge specific elements. In one step, you get a new, custom scene that feels tailored to your project, not a generic stock photo. To close the workflow, we're going back to Gemini Deep Research one more time, but this time not to read, to publish. After Deep Research finishes a topic for you, scroll to the creation options and ask it to repurpose that report into something you can share. For example, an infographic that summarizes how our team should start using AI safely, or a one-page guide you can send to clients about what this AI service actually does. Gemini will extract the key sections, compress them into a visual structure, and give you a clear, skimmable asset. You can then ask it to add a simple download button or export option so you can save that infographic as an image, drop it into slides, share it in your company's chat, or even post it on social media as a resource. As I promised at the start of the video, if you want to get PDFs with the best AI tools on the market and extra secrets we don't show on YouTube, here's how it works. Inside our Discord, you won't just find the YouTube Sources channel with the links and prompts from today's video. We also have a whole list of PDFs that you can unlock through our bot. All you have to do is send the bot a screenshot where we can clearly see that you liked this video, you're subscribed to the channel, you watched it all the way through, and you left a positive comment. When the bot receives that screenshot, it will automatically send you a free PDF for this video, with curated tools and tricks related to what you've just learned. Each video on the channel has its own different PDF, so if you want to collect them all and become a real expert in AI, jump into the Discord, follow the steps, and start unlocking them one by one.